This is Andy of Quality Stocks. Today is Monday, December 6, 2010, and today we're going to take a look at BANR Corp. This is a NASDAQ Global Select stock trading our ticker BANR. We've looked at this before several times. We've been tracking this for many months now. Back through here where it was holding a nice base, it slipped down. We looked at it again through here. And once again, it looks like it's trying to form a double bottom and possibly being positioned to make a move to the north side again. This is a bank stock, and I'm not sure if this has been some funding issues. The whole financial sector, of course, has been in trouble for the better part of this year. And I'm not sure if the company's done something specific to allow this price per share to drop so much over the course of the year. So I'm just taking a technical look at this chart at this point. See, we've got the MACD still trending right around that zero line. Difficult time popping through it right here. We had it on pretty close radar because of the divergence. Of course, it fell through support, so it's to sit back and wait for our support to set up, which it has. So we're still trending towards zero. If we zoomed in close, we'd see we're just about ready to get a bullish cross. Just got a bullish cross on the PPO. The ADX is getting down pretty low, which tells you that the trend is going to try and change. Kind of like when it got down through here, when it touched 10, trend tried to change, add a little bit of strength to the direction, trickling back down again. So we just want to keep an eye on this for it to move. All three portions, the ADX, positive and negative DI, is all kind of tucked right together. Could go any direction at this point. Money flow is all breaking through 50, which is something that you want to see. Holding over 50 maintains a bullish look. We're getting a little bit of a turn back down in the 7, which should be somewhat suspect. But of course, that one can whipsaw pretty quickly. It moves fast. So this needs to stay on radar. Try and maintain that 50 level and above. Overall, we're still getting a little bit of an uptrend, even though it's kind of a channel, but still seeing a bit of an uptrend in the accumulation distribution. We're going to look for this to try and take out this level, try and create a new higher high. Shaking money flow shows that buying pressure has been overcoming selling pressure recently, moving nicely up into the green. We're going to look for the CCI to break through zero, well above negative 100 at this point, but now we want to see it start to trend up above zero. Full still coming back out of oversold, starting to break through 50 at this point. We're going to look for this signal line to come up and hold its way over 50 as well. Tricks, we're seeing a little bit of an uptrend still. But similarly, we want to see this zero line get broken. We want to. It's got a nice trend towards zero. This cross can happen either direction right now. They're basically sitting right on top of each other. So we're going to look to see this turn and trend and break through zero. RSIs are giving hints of possibly flattening back out, like they're not going to be able to penetrate that 50 marker. We talk about this all the time, holding over 50 is bullish. You want to see that gold line and that red line, the 14 and 21 RSIs, climb above 50 and hold up there to give it just a lot better of a bullish look to a chart if it does. Right now it's giving hints that it might not, so you got to stay on guard with this. What's important with this chart is holding this bottom support. If it's going to be a true double bottom, that's the area we want to see it hold. Minimum at $1.56. We could come up a hair higher and come up here around $1.60 or so. See, this closed at $1.73. Still enough liquidity with almost 600,000 shares traded. Like to see a little bit more volume. See, it's trying to come off the bottom. You want to see volume start to pick up to show it's going to get some strength and some real strong buying pressure to try and push through this 50-day moving average. It's right there on top of it. You see it kind of clipped through it a couple different times. But what's important is when it breaks through it, it makes a new higher high, and that shows some real strength too. You can see here it broke through it, but couldn't take out this old high at 241, certainly that 257 area. So when it comes, if it can break through this time, we're going to really look for it to take out. There's going to be a strong resistance level right through that area at about $1.95. See, it was the old support. It's the old high. So we're going to want to see the volume pick up and this make a stronger move. That's pretty good gains by getting to it. $1.73. It's over 10% to get up here and challenge that resistance area. And those are the things we're going to be looking for. Definitely for bottom support to hold, volume to pick up. We got all the short-term moving average are pulled in right now with it. And that 50 is coming down. If we can get all them to all tuck together at the same point, that's when you really need to start paying attention for a larger move. So this is the chart. The BANR chart is one I think that should stay on constant radar to try and make a stronger push and show that this is indeed a bottom level for it. So technical traders should be on alert for these certain technical facts to hold true and see if this is going to make a move or not. As always, this is merely my interpretation. This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.